This archival entry documents a Matchbox Volvo tilt truck, a collectible vehicle from the Matchbox 1-75 series, first introduced in 1984. This 1990 to 1991 version, collection number 49 in the USA and 26 in the rest of the world, is white with Pirelli Tampos and gray treads, a black plastic base, and blue-tinted windows, shown loose. Crafted in China, it reflects Matchbox's shift to Asian manufacturing after Universal Toys acquisition. Its Pirelli branding adds authentic commercial flair, distinguishing it from the 1992 version with black treads. Released when Matchbox focused on realistic vehicle designs, this truck captures the 1990s die-cast craze. For Matchbox collectors, fans of commercial trucks, or lovers of retro toys, this piece is a nostalgic gem. Check the description below for more details on this item. Please comment with questions, suggestions, clarifications, or to submit details that we haven't included for our next revision of this video. Join us for our next entry when we uncover another piece of history. Until then, like, share, and subscribe, and keep exploring our collection.